Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Courtney and I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark and eBay. And today I'm here with a Dollar Day Goodwill haul. So I went to, last week, I knew I wasn't gonna be able to go to the bins. May, June, and July is just a really tough time for me because I have a couple acres. I have to do a lot of weed control for fire clearance. If you don't know what fire clearance is, clearing your property so you can maybe save your home in a wildfire. So we have a lot of, it's just a lot of work. So it's just tough for me to take an entire day to go down to the bins. So I haven't been able to go down each week. And so I went to the closest LA regular Goodwill to me, which is an hour away. I do not live near any Goodwills or Salvation Armies. So anytime I go to any of them, it's gonna be over at least an hour drive each way. I went this day, there's only one color of the week this time. Last time I did a Dollar Day, it was 2 colors, which is rare. So I did get some regular priced items. You know, I prefer the bins because I don't have to worry about, is it worth it? I don't have to invest as much. I think I got a number of good things. So I thought I'd share. If you aren't already subscribed and you like reseller content, definitely consider hitting the subscribe button or check out my other videos. I think I have a good mix of them there. And if you like this video, the thumbs up means a lot to me. So I got 18 items. I spent $62 on stuff to resell. I did get 2 pairs of shorts, hiking shorts for myself, which is I'll separate. And so I ended up getting a few dollar items, not as many as I would have liked. So I'll start with the first time I found this designer. This was not a dollar. I'll let you know if it was a dollar item, but I don't know if I should have gotten it, but sometimes you see a brand that you've never found and you're just like, yes, I'm excited. So this is Jean-Paul Gaultier. And if I'm mispronouncing that in any way, shape, or form, well, it happens and that's okay. So this is a size US 10 and they're kind of funky. They're drawstring pants. I don't know what kind of material this is. Let's see if there's rayon. They've got pockets on the back. Black is tough. I don't even know why I got these, to be honest, because it's black. I think because I saw the bottom and they're kind of knit at the bottom. I don't know. They're kind of just funky jogger designer pants. Is that a thing? I mean, it is today. So I paid regular price. I didn't look up comps. I just made the assumption it's a designer. I'll be able to sell it. But the comps are just all over the place, as with a lot of designer stuff. So anyways, I'm hoping to get, I still need to do some more research on this item. I'm hoping to get somewhere between 50 and 60. Or sorry, 50 and 100. That's kind of a range. But I just need to do some more research and yeah. So next up was a dollar item, and I just thought this was so cute. It's just cabbie, but I really liked the print. It's not the right season, but I feel like it's a perfect fall jacket. It's 3/4 length sleeves, really nice blazer. Older tag cabbie, which I don't care. I'll pick up cabbie if it's a cute style. I don't really care too much about, you know, how recent it is. So with this, I'm hoping to get somewhere between 18 and 24. I did have one miss. I think I should show this. Well, so I paid full price for this. I put it at the bottom of my bag. I'll bring a bag and I'll use a lot of LA Goodwills, they don't have shopping carts, so you get a hand thing. So I'll bring in my own bag and I kind of do this whole thing where I'll take the hangers off because I always like to get to the register with hangers off, so I just make things quicker for them and for myself. So I keep the little hand cart that they provide and I put hangers in that and then I use my bag. Well, this kind of got pushed down to the bottom. And again, I just a designer and I'm like, oh, it'll sell. It's no big deal. So it's Oscar de la Renta. It's a men's quarter zip. Just a nice black sweater. This does not have good comps. I paid, I think regular price was $6.99 for this. And I'm only looking at maybe 20 to 25, which I mean, some of them were even going for 15. So I think it's not going to sell quickly. It's not going to sell for much. And I put in $6.99 like as an investment. So that was definitely a bad buy, but it happens. I'm human. Happens fewer times now, but again, why I love the bins. So this is a pair of stirrup ski pants by Obermeyer. This is just a really, I like picking up this brand because if anything, the Real accepts it. So if I can't sell it, I can always send it in there. And these are stirrup style. And where was the label? A ladies 10 short. Yeah, so I feel like with these I should be able to get 30 to 40. And again, these were regular priced as well, but yeah. I was trying to keep any regular priced item above 30 as far as what I could get for it, just to make it more worthwhile. I think I was pretty successful. I found 2 All Saints sweaters. This is kind of a oversized neck black cardigan, which just a great basic, and it's All Saints, and I believe this was a size small. Yeah, so this was regular priced, so I think about $6.99, but just a great staple. And All Saints, their sweaters don't do as well. Some of their stuff does well, some of it, you know, hit or miss, but with that I'm hoping to get, just because it's a great basic, 30 to 35. This one is another All Saints. I really liked the print. It's almost, I don't know if it kind of looks a little animal print to you, but gray, blue. It's a size US 6. And yeah, wrong season for both these, but this was only $1. So only hoping to get maybe 26 to 32 on that one. I'll price a little bit lower on that one. Oh, I did get a second miss, a fake. So I was over in the men's shirts at the very end. I was just trying to spend 3 hours there, and I had like 10 minutes left. So I ran over to the men's section, and I just was quickly looking through some shirts, and I found a Burberry, but it had a hole in it and the tag looked legit and everything. Well, then I saw another Burberry, but I don't know if you can see, Burberry and some high-end designers don't miss on stitching. Like, that's a pretty terrible stitching job. So it wasn't until I got home. Now it does say Burberry on the buttons. It has this little guy, the Burberry guy, horse guy here. Yeah, I don't feel comfortable that this is real. Where's the inside tag? There was an inside tag, and it's, where? Oh, I know where it was. So 100% cotton, made in China. There's no indication on this inside tag, and I don't have anything to compare it to other than that stitching job on the labels just looks terrible. So it's just a men's button down. I paid $4.99 for it, so I'll lose that since I won't sell this, but just kind of a bummer. I was just in a hurry and just didn't look at it very well. So 2 misses, that's okay. All right, next up is a pair of plus size Athleta, which I've never found, but I can't imagine that it won't do well. It's a great style. They're just black capris, has this white strip. I'm pretty sure this is a reflective strip, which is really nice. It's got the Athleta label back there. And it's a 2X, which is awesome. So it kind of has this, I don't know if it's gonna pick up the texture, it almost feels like a swimsuit. What's polyester spandex? Yeah. So anyways, I just thought the size and the style, it's perfect. So I'm gonna start this at 40 and hope for about 30 to 35 for that. This is a pair of J brand. Oh, those were regular price. So those were $4.99, I believe. This is a pair of J brand, kind of a burnt orange, like skinny. The style is called the low-rise pencil leg. You know, low-rise, I think this is a perfect fall pant, and these were $1. So that's the only reason I picked these up. Size 29, which is a good size. Hoping to get maybe 20 to 25 for these. This is a Free People jacket, and I actually bought it thinking, oh, I could wear it for myself. I love green. It's probably my favorite color to wear, and I don't have a lot of it. It's just a Free People jacket, size medium, but a lot of their stuff is oversized, so I thought perfect. Just the regular Free People. But it's a little snug, so I have a hard time with things that button because, yeah, I just always have. I'm a little bit, yeah, we'll just leave it at that. So it just doesn't fit right. I don't really like the fit on me, and just a little snugged button. So I'm gonna sell it. I did pay full price for this because I thought I would get it for myself, but I'm gonna sell this. So I'm hoping for somewhere between 26 to 32. Full price I think was $6.99 for that. These were $1, and I just, again, I like army green stuff. These are Banana Republic, the skinny ankle, a great size at 31. I don't need them. They look a little bit low rise, but I think someone will really like them. And yeah, just in really great condition and for $1. So hoping to get probably about 20 to 25 for that. And then this one I got because I got 2 pairs of hiking shorts, which I think I mentioned. Athleta, really cute color, like a greenish color. And then just some khakis. So these are really well made Athleta, and I go on a lot of hikes. So I thought, well, I'll get those, and they worked. This was in the same area, Athleta large. I don't really wear skirts to work out, so it's not really my style. This is just a skirt. It's a size large. It's, you know, a lot of ladies like to wear the skirts. It does have some cute detailing on the bottom, and these skirts do pretty well. So I decided, you know, it's full price, which I think that meant it was about $5.49 for shorts. And this was in the short section. So I'm hoping to get, the comps look pretty good on this. I'm hoping to get maybe 28 to 34 for this. And then I have 6 items. Almost all of them were $1, and they're all gonna be taken to a local consignment store because they asked for these brands and styles. This is a men's Lucky brand tee, which I thought was cute, right for the season. And that was $1. This was $1, Lucky brand, gray boot cut, or straight leg. Yeah, straight leg. So I thought they was size 6. I probably won't take those until mid-July when they start taking fall stuff. This I thought was really kind of a fun tee. I think I paid $2 for this, but if I get 7 from them and not have to do any work, I thought it was just a really cool graphic. And it's not really a brand, Popular Poison, but they like graphic tees. Again, another Lucky item. They've asked for Lucky. They do well with it. This is just a women's tee, lightweight. And this I'm actually gonna take to them when they start taking fall stuff. And it's because I haven't had much luck with True Religion. I've listed it a few times. I haven't really sold it. These are just True Religion jeans. They haven't asked for these, but they do price up at this consignment store. So I figured, you know, the Joey kind of looks like a bit of a flare leg. I don't know. I'm not a big jeans person as far as selling, and it's not my favorite thing to sell. And if they'll mark them up to 30 and I get 15 and I don't have to do any work, that'd be awesome. So hopefully they take all this. And then just another tee. It's NASA, bright orange. I thought, you know, again, bring this for fall and they might like it. So with each of these consignment items, I range about $7 to $8 as far as the payout. People have asked, I get paid if they sell. And there's 2 consignment stores I'm working with right now, and it's just a way for me to pick up more product, not have to do much besides just list and take it to them. And if they don't take something, I can list it myself. So in total for the 18 items, if I get the low price of what I told you, I'm looking at about $338, and the high price about $459, and that's including about $7 to $8 per consignment item. So, you know, not bad for 5 hours being away from my house, 3 hours of sourcing. I am hoping to go to the bins again at some point, but these dollar days are really nice just to get a few things to list if I can't make it to the bins. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.